Willow is the AI learning assistant that keeps students safe and teachers in control. Let's jump straight into the teacher interface and set up a history lesson. First, we need to set the age of the class we're teaching. And next, we set the level of support required by the class. We can also set this on an individual student level if the class has students with differing abilities. Next, we set up the theme for the lesson. In this case, we'll go for the Roman Empire, and we also enable the teacher to upload any resources that they want Willow to reference, such as past papers or lesson plans. Next, the teacher will define a series of activities for Willow to run with the students. Open use is the most obvious mode, which enables students to dig further into topics they're interested in or ask questions when they need clarification. But we also have some more engaging modes, such as the role play mode or the exam practice mode. But teachers can also define their own custom tasks. Let's go ahead and launch this open use mode and then jump into the student interface. From the student side, once they have selected their lesson, the first thing they'll notice is that this key background information section has been populated with facts relevant to the lesson. We also have an AI skills tips and tricks section, which updates as the student interacts with Willow and gives them tips for how to get more out of AI. We've been really careful with Willow to make sure that it offers a scaffolded learning approach and doesn't just complete tasks for the students. For example, if I ask Willow to write an essay on the collapse of the Roman Empire, Willow will refuse to actually write my essay for me, but instead will help me get started and guide me through the process. On the more extreme side, if a student was to report a safeguarding issue, such as telling Willow that they're being bullied, Willow will respond compassionately, but it will also ping the teacher so that the teacher is aware of this problem. Switching back to the teacher interface, if I switch to the risk monitoring section, I will see that an alert has been generated for this student, and I'm able to view the details where I can see their complete conversation history and also see why this particular message was escalated. Willow also provides a number of insights. The Class Insights panel offers teachers insights into their students' performance across all tasks for this subject. We also have a Task Insight panel that gives the teachers insights on the specific task currently being run. Teachers are able to see a summary of the class performance and also look at individual insights for each student. Teachers are also able to view insights for historical tasks. And finally, if we return to the Assistant Setup page, we'll be able to change to a new task, such as the roleplay mode. Switching back to the student interface and starting a new session, we should now find that Willow will take on the role of a Roman.